YINN Stock Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Direxion Daily FTSE ETF. Now in this case, yeah, it's 13% up. Like, look at the consistency, how bullish this thing actually has been. It's crazy. Last few weeks has been the biggest lever movers here, 100% up. I mean, looks pretty good. I personally am looking to double down on this beautiful bullish trend. So how would that look like? For sure, mark out the highs first, have a like a demand area set or whatever. Yeah, only time where I'm really gonna buy, it's surely like a lower time frame chart, but it needs to pull back down and give me a decent double break in order for me to buy. At the top, I'm not buying. Like, it needs to give me at least a little retrace, you know. So boom, that's what I'm waiting for. Let me know what is your opinion on it. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.